Okay, so around camp we have made lots of different paths going from here down everywhere. You can see this is the path going out of camp to where we're getting our wood, and you can see the paths going into camp, all different places. And this has been stamped down with snowshoes and it's frozen overnight to make it being able to walk with pack boots or mucklucks. Okay, but well, why do we need to pack it down in the first place? Well, you might think, well, it's going to go in that deep. What's that, about a foot deep? No. Let me just make sure. Yes, I have. So I've got these dog collars on boots to make sure no snow goes up, because if I step down into it, oh, so let me so I'm now waist deep in snow. And different view there you can see. So there's the path next to me. I can put my hand down onto it, and this is me in the snow. I can sit down, but my legs are right deep in there, which is why we need to tamp it down and wear snowshoes to begin with, because walking around in this is impossible. So let me get out and back onto the path. You can just step up again. And because it's so cold, the snow doesn't instantly melt, so all you need to do is wipe it off you, and you stay dry, you stay warm. But there is there's the hole I've just made. That goes down to waist deep. So I'm 6 foot. So I don't know, 4 foot, 3.5 feet of snow. But yeah, so snowshoes to pack everything down. And when everything's packed down, don't forget your dog collars on bottom of your things, because even though we stick to the path, if we're not looking and we take even a milli, even just a foot off the path, we start going down. So here's the path, here's not the path, and you start going down. So you always got to keep an eye on when you're walking. But the trampled down snow, absolutely easy to walk on. Look at that.